Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I really appreciate your support so much, and I am going to be doing my The Box by Fashionsta unboxing. If you don't know about this box, it started June of 2019, I believe was their first box. It started out at I think it was $19.99 a month. They have went up to I think $24.99. It comes like this. It's always packaged with the little squiggly things to keep it from getting anything from getting broken. Of course, there's always that possibility, even when they package it up really good. So they have went up to $24.99, I do believe. If you already had the box before then, they did grandfather people in, so I was grandfathered in because I have had this box since July. I signed up for their waiting list their very first month, and I really like this subscription. It's just a small business. I like supporting small businesses whenever possible, and they give a lot of like indie brands. I think there's been some K-beauty things in here. It's things that you don't typically see in a lot of the other subscription boxes. So I really do like this one, and there's one item in here I have been thinking about getting that actually costs more than the box. So I say the box was paid for by that one item because it is, like I said, something I have been thinking about getting. So let's see. Let's see. Color proof hair is this one. It comes, they put it in this little bag. And let's see, this is 5.14 ounces. It's Color Care Authority, Color Proof, AG Stem Cell Complex, and Natural Scalp Fortifiers. It is the Beauty Authority New Beauty 2019 Award winner. That's pretty cool. It says, grips to individual hair fibers to increase density and weightlessly volumize fine thinning hair. Delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen and protect against breakage, leaves hair soft and visibly fuller, with color and heat protection up to 450 degrees for all your 1920s inspired hairstyling. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free, and this retails, let me get this brought up so that I can figure this up as I go. I know some of you really like to know the prices of things, so let me bring my calculator up. Did I say that retails for $32? And then let's see here. It is the Georgette Clinger. This came in, I know there was a brand, not this particular item, but that brand, I know I got the I think it was the Marine Eye Complex. That was this brand. And it seems like I remember something else having this Georgette Clinger product. This is a charcoal drying lotion. It says, apply this treatment at the first sign of trouble and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks good as new and ready to hit the town. Supports clear, calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draws out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, swelling, and irritation. Made in the USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. And that retails for $19. And This, I know someone who used this and they said that this will dry your skin out. You don't want to put this all over your skin. She said she put it all over her skin and it took like 2 weeks for her skin to heal because it dried it and peeled it off so bad. But she said just a tiny dot right in the center of any breakout you're having will dry it up overnight. So I don't have too many breakouts, but I am looking forward to trying that. And then we have the Skin & Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. I have tried, it was the Gamage of this brand, and I liked it. And some other Skin & Co. I think it was a serum that I liked. And this is 3.38 full ounces. And it says, ideal for all skin types. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is an essential step in the cleansing routine for removing makeup, dirt, and impurities accumulated throughout the day for hydrated and radiant skin. Cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free, and that retails for $28. And this is what I was actually waiting for. I mean, what I'm really excited for is got the little squiggly. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. It says, pump up the volume with this innovative lip plumper that doubles as a clear lip gloss. The perfect gloss to keep your lips glistening and refreshed on a night out or when you need a little gloss pick-me-up. This retails for $21. And if you don't know, Gerard Cosmetics is really good. I've done one small haul, and I have one more video that I've got to do some editing. That was just a small haul, but I'm going to do a video where I can show more details about this, give it some time to show you how long it lasts and do that type of stuff. So I'm not going to swatch it now because I'm going to do a whole video on this because so many of us like the lip plumpers. I want to give a better idea of how quick if it does plump, how quick it plumps, how long it plumps, and that type of thing. And then I got this Charcoal Pore Care from Lapco's. It's just one sheet mask, but we love sheet masks, so, well, most of us I think do. And it says, infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten skin. Draws out impurities and minimizes the appearance of pores. Detoxifying, tightening, and hydrating. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. And that retails for $3. And then we got, this is the last thing. Yep, this is the last thing. And this is the Golden Gatsby Old Money Lash Splash, I think's how it says. It says, bringing all the glitters and shimmers of the 1920s, this lightweight 4-shade refined formula delivers buildable coverage with a metallic luster finish for a stunning glow. Sweep over the high points of your beautiful face, made in the USA, and it's cruelty-free, and this retails for $28. So this box retails for $131. Let's see. It's a coupon. I really like, oops, sorry, that's my alarm trying to remind me it's time for him to go to bed, but he's already fallen asleep. So let's see, we present to you our special celebration of the glitz and glamour of the 1920s with our October box, filled with a curation of makeup and skincare to keep you and your skin glam and dance party ready. We hope you enjoy this month's products, and remember, you are truly beautiful inside and out. And I know they do, I can't remember the exact details of the project that they donate to, but I think it's a cancer center in California, but I'm not exactly sure. I would see, if I could see the name, I would know it. They used to put it on the card, but I know there is a place that they do donate, and I've researched it, and it is a legitimate place. So this is what that palette, the outside, look how pretty. And this is a highlighting palette. Yep. Look how pretty. It's got the pretty glam of the, can you see it? The like the old style woman from the 20s, I guess is what they're trying to do. There's dough, sugar, Mazuma, and scratch. So let's swatch these. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Let's see. Look. That is pretty. That is the color I would think that I would like, but let's try to swatch. This is the golden color. It's this one right here. Let's see, that is that one. Oh, that's probably too gold for me. That would probably be a good eyeshadow or something, because yeah, it's probably too gold for me. And then this is the sugar one. That one would probably work. And this one is this one called Scratch. That's pretty similar, but just a tad bit lighter. I'm going to swatch the dough, the lighter one, just so you can see the difference with them together. So that's the one I just put on my cheek. So there are the three colors here. Excuse how rough I look. I have had a long day, and like I said, it is bedtime, and I can't really see what I'm doing there, but that is what I got in this box. Like I said, I only pay right under $20, and it is still worth the $25, I think, my personal opinion. So we got that, one mask, the Gerard Cosmetic Lip Plumper, the Skin & Co. Cleanser, and the Georgette Klinger Charcoal Drying Lotion. I think, yeah, that's it. So, oh no, this hair repair stuff. So I got those. I'm going to try this because I love hair repair and keeping my hair nice. So that is the products that I got in this month's box by Fashionsta. So there is that, and I appreciate you all watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.